notice how fast Americans apologize?
Yeah, and how fast they stop apologizing.
Exactly. It's like mistake acknowledged, emotion deleted.
That's the perfect way to put it.
Like yesterday, I bumped into someone at the grocery store.
Let me guess. You said sorry.
I said, "I'm so sorry, I wasn't looking."
And they said,
No worries.
conversation over.
No eye contact, no drama, no follow-up.
That's the rule. If it's small, keep it small.
But here's where people mess up.
They apologize too much.
Yeah, they keep explaining.
I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to. I was distracted. I feel bad.
Now it's uncomfortable.
Because now you're asking for emotional reassurance.
Pause.
Americans don't want reassurance. They want closure.
Quick closure.
That's why my bad works so well.
2 words, no emotion.
Just responsibility.
Beat.
You spill water,
My bad.
you forget to attach the file,
Oh, my bad, sending it now.
you interrupt someone.
Sorry, go ahead.
That sorry isn't regret, it's traffic control.
Small laugh. Yeah, it's conversational traffic control. Pause.
Another interesting thing, Americans apologize even when it's not their fault.
Oh, yeah.
Like when you're trying to get past someone.
Sorry, can I squeeze by?
You're not sorry, you're polite.
That sorry just means I acknowledge your space. Beat.
Same with excuse me.
Tone changes everything.
Excuse me versus excuse me.
One is friendly, one is serious.
Same words, different warning level.
Pause. And then there's how you respond to an apology.
This part is huge.
Someone says, "Sorry about that."
You don't say, it's okay, everyone makes mistakes, don't worry about it.
That sounds like a lecture.
Instead,
All good.
no worries.
You're fine.
Short, clean.
Beat. Because if you overreact,
Now you're the weird one.
even if they messed up, pause.
Americans value emotional efficiency.
That's such a good phrase.
Say what's needed, nothing extra.
Beat. What about work, though?
Different level, the same principle.
You don't say, "My bad," in a serious meeting.
But you can say,
That's on me.
sorry about that, my mistake.
Still casual, still American. Pause.
What you don't do,
Is apologize 10 times.
that signals insecurity, not politeness.
Beat.
And insecurity makes people uncomfortable.
Because now they feel responsible for your feelings. Pause.
So the secret is
Acknowledge.
release.
Move on. Short silence.
Once you get this,
You stop sounding stiff.
you stop sounding scripted,
You sound normal.
like someone who's been here a while.
Beat. And honestly,
That's what people notice,
not your accent,
not your grammar.
your comfort level. Pause.
Because in American English,
Confidence isn't loud, it's relaxed.
even when you mess up,